Now I will discuss the thickness of the filament of a bulb. I think when you purchase the bulb from the market, if it is a 25 watt bulb and it is rating like 220 volt, it means if 220 volt supply is given to this bulb, it will give the power of 25 watt. That is the rating. Of course, rating I will discuss later. Here what I want to convey to you, if it is the filament of the 25 watt bulb, it is just like that straight wire, like this. And if you observe the filament of the 100 watt bulb, you will see it is in the spiral form. If you increase the power, you will say this spiral will increase more. What is the difference? Basically, this is of the long length. So when we want to reduce the length, we make it in the turn. But when you stretch it, you will see this length is quite high. So one thing is very much clear to all of you. Okay, there is a difference in the length also. Similarly, there is a difference in the thickness of the filament of the bulb also. I think all of you know power is given by V square by R. That you people know very well. And voltage is constant in the domestic supply. You will say P is proportional to 1 by R. You can say what is resistance? Rho L by A. Rho is constant. If you keep L is constant for rated bulb, what you will say? P is proportional to A. Power is directly proportional to area of cross section. Means if you increase the power and if you want to keep the length same, then you have to increase the area of cross section. Is it clear to all of you? It means if there are 3 bulbs, 25 watt, 100 watt, 1000 watt, if I ask you what is the relation in the resistance of these 3 bulbs, you will use the formula P equal to V square by R. V is constant. It means product of P and R is constant. It means if power is increasing, resistance will decrease. So I will say resistance of the 25 watt bulb is more than resistance of 100 watt bulb is more than resistance of 1000 watt bulb. One thing is clear. Second thing, thickness. Thickness depends on the power. It means thickness of 25 watt bulb is less compared to thickness of 100 watt bulb compared to thickness of 1000 watt bulb. Thickness of the filament will be more. Then brightness. Brightness is directly related with the power. So if brightness is asked to you, brightness of the 1000 watt is more compared to 100 watt compared to 25 watt. Let me show you on my slide like this. Okay. Now I will discuss the long distance transmission, why long distance transmission is preferred at high voltage.